Welcome back to Usawa Tutorials videos. Today I will be showing you how to create your fixed asset in Usawa. Kindly follow these steps. Go to Process, then Fixed Asset. You can import your fixed asset or create it. Enter the asset name. Now, by default, Usawa will suggest the asset number and the asset number prefix to you. You can also change it. Enter the purchase price. Select the purchase date. Then select the asset account, furniture and fittings. Select the tracking option. Enter the description. Then select the depreciation method. We have straight line. We also have reducing balance. Enter the depreciation rate, 25%. That is 4 years. Enter the depreciation account. You can enter the accumulated amount. Then select the accumulated account. You can depreciate this account automatically every month by clicking this box. You can attach your file and save. Here you can edit, delete, depreciate, sell or dispose, or archive your fixed assets.